to count two, but it doesn't say in here what he got on count two. So, but I'll figure that out. And I don't think a judgment has formally been entered yet because it just happened. But if you give me a few minutes, I'll report back to the court and I'll let you know exactly what I think happened.
All right, and who do you have with you?
This is Jalen Gray. She's a third-year law student. She has her bar card, and I'm one of her supervising attorneys.
Oh,
And so she's one of the brightest and best law clerks that I've ever had the opportunity to work alongside. And so she's been following me around and seeing what not to do.
so, so are you at St. Mary's?
I am, yes, ma'am.
Don't believe any story that Neil tells you about me,
Object.
because everybody should be ready for their exams.
Well, the judge chilled me pretty bad at a law school exam. She did that so she could get a better grade. Words. The only thing is she got better grades in all the classes. She didn't really need to do that.
Here's the funniest thing about law school, but you're third year. But I always tell students, so I went through law school without books because I couldn't afford books. So anyway, our first semester where they're handing out grades at St. Mary's, they used to just post them on the board and it'd have your number and your grade. Okay, all of these students, soon to be attorneys, they're racing to go to look at the board. They're like, Stephanie, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm going to my dorm room. They're like, you're not going to look at the scores. I'm like, what can you do? Can
I
you
agree.
change what's on the board? I'm like, no need to do that. And so now my students, what I tell them, I say, after your first semester, your grades are set. And your ranking is not going to change unless somebody starts bumping off students. And if they start bumping off students, ultimately they're going to say, wait a minute, why is this student now number one? What's going on? And it's going to come back to you. So it's like, enjoy law school. And Neil, has anybody ever asked you since you've been out, how did you do on the bar exam?
No.
What's your LSAT scores? Where did you finish in law school? They never ask. So let's go on the record on Westbrook. Court is calling 2025 CR 001302, State versus Ryan Jordan Westbrook. Can I have parties announced?
Learner Spinoza for the state.
And Neil Kalfas on behalf of Mr. Ryan Westbrook, Your Honor.
And you're an attorney.
Jalen Gray on behalf of Mr. Westbrook.
I'm sorry, repeat that.
Jalen Gray on behalf of Mr. Westbrook.
All right. So what is the update on Mr. Westbrook? Yes. No, step back and let her do it.
Your Honor, so he was recently sentenced in federal custody. So as to count two, he has 27 months of imprisonment. So he won't be appearing anytime soon. He'll be in federal custody.
All right, thank you. We can go off the record. So Cindy, can you make a record for her and print it so she'll have that? And just don't put in the part where I say, oh, let her speak. I want it to be seamless so she can frame that and have that.
I
Okay?
appreciate that.
Well-
That's sweet. Thank you.
Welcome. So if y'all are conferred, then let me know what you all want to do.
We will, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. I
Yeah,
appreciate
come by
it.
anytime.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.